Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you just exactly how easy it is to make cryptocurrency and money for free using this amazing game-changing artificial intelligence bot. Yes, I did say for free. That means sign up for free and no investment whatsoever. All that's needed is approximately between 5 and 10 minutes each day or every other day of your time, which I'm sure if you're going to gain free money, you can afford to spend 5 or 10 minutes of your time. But before we move on, let me just quickly explain that this is not financial advice, and these are just simply my own opinions, such as this should never be treated as financial trading or otherwise investment advice. And I will always recommend to you to do your own due diligence on any type of investment you may consider. Some of the links may contain affiliate links, so if you click and make a purchase, then I personally could receive commissions as well. And I would only recommend companies and products that I personally use, and I would never recommend any third parties that I have never used. Okay, so following the link, what I would like you to do is click on Show Me. Now, once you select the Show Me, you'll be taken to this page where you just need to put your full name, your email address, and a phone number is optional. You don't have to do that. Once you've done that, just click Submit, and you'll be taken to this page here. Now, from this page, if you scroll down, there's a couple of videos. Take your time to look through the videos. Gives you a little bit more information. And then once you're happy, all you then have to do is just click Create Free Account. So from there, you'll be taken to this page here where you just need to fill in your details. So give yourself a username, no special characters, i.e., no hyphens or any exclamation marks, things like that. Just a straightforward username, your email, password, your country, a phone number in there. And once you've done that, just click Create Account. Once you've created your account, you'll be taken to a dashboard like this. Now, this is a free account, and I'm just going to show you in a moment exactly how you can make free cryptocurrency and free money without any investment. Now, of course, you can invest in this, but it's not essential, and I'm going to show you. So, as you can see here, the description level is free. Now, if we just go over, and if we go into wallets, now if you have a look at this account has had investment put into it, although it is a free account. So yes, if you are willing and want to put investments in, you can, but it's not essential. And as you can see here, this 271 US dollar tether, this was made from pure commissions only. So if this account was to have no investment in, that US dollar tether would still be there because this is on commissions based only. And I'm going to show you exactly how that was done. But before I show you how the commissions was made, let me just quickly show you, although that this is a free account, how the investment was made. So if we just go back over to the dashboard, and as you can see, still there, it's a free subscription. You can upgrade, and if you wanted to upgrade, then there are various packages there, see? But we could do this commissions without upgrading. However, what we do want is for those people that do click on the link that we supply them is to actually upgrade. So they create a free account, but they come in and they actually upgrade, because this is where our commissions is going to come from. And as you can quickly see there are three upgrade packages: Advanced VIP, VIP Plus, which has got a discount on at the moment. And again, this may be something that you might want to promote to different people as well. So depending on whether it's the Advanced or VIP will determine on the amount of commissions that we get. So if somebody was to do a VIP, VIP Plus, then we are going to gain more commissions than the Advanced. So this is where our commissions are going to be coming from. And again, once more, we don't need to upgrade to receive those commissions, so we can still stay on our free account. you have the option to do that. So let's go to bots and let's just show you. So under the free subscription, you actually get to trade 2 bots. But for this, please do note you do have to make an investment from one of your exchanges if you are going to be doing the trading on the bots. But again, it's not essential, and we still can make our commissions, free commissions, without doing the trading investment in the bots. And as you can see here, again, at this time of this video, the market is very volatile. So the artificial intelligence, it's doing its stuff, and over the past over the past 30 days, as you can see here, the profits on Bitcoin and US dollar tether is 30, and Litecoin to US dollar is plus 65. Them at the Bitcoin and Litecoin with USD, you can, if you were wanting to invest, you can trade any coin you can, and there's video training inside of EazyBot if you were wanting to do that. So let's head back over to the dashboard, and let me just show you exactly how easy and simple it is, less than 5 minutes a day, how those 271 US dollar tether was generated for free. So what we're going to do now is just simply jump over to Facebook. So here we are over on Facebook, and the strategy that was used to generate those free crypto was really dead straightforward. Now, I'm sure the people that is watching this video, 99.9% of you will have a Facebook account. If you don't, I'm sure you will have some form of social media platform. Now, this can work on any platform, things such as Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, you name it, Twitter. So all that simply do is, there's a couple of different ways that you can do it. Remember, you only need to do this once a day, or a couple of times a week. Now up here, you can either search for groups and search for things like crypto groups or make money online groups, or if you already saved some groups, just click on your groups and just scroll down and select whatever group there. So look there. So for example, make money the easy way online. So let's just click on that. And as you can see, there are 4,000 members in this group, and there's lots of engagement. So this is a great place to get started. So all we need to do now is just create a post. Now, to create the post, what we're going to do is have a nice simple little photo. There are a number of different free tools out there. The most popular one being Canva, so you can make yourself a nice little photo, and then we're just going to make a post there. So just clicking on the photo, what we're going to do is just select where your photo is, and then that's all they did there. Select it in there, and what we're going to do is just create a form of post, and we're just going to put something like create a free account and start earning free money without spending a dime. Just something like that. And again, you can mix it up. You can put your own post, your own take on that. So once you've done that, head back over to your free account over EazyBot and click the 2 lines. And then what you need to do is go down to My Affiliate Center. See here where it says My Referral Link. I just want you to click that. Head back over to Facebook. And then all that's simply done was just paste in that link. And then all we're going to do is just post it there. And that is that now posted. So anybody now that sees that, clicks on the link, then all they're going to do is just create a free account and then look in there. But you're going to be thinking, well, how's that going to make you money? Well, it's really straightforward. Because if you're posting this, and let's use this page as an example. So we've posted it in there to expose to 4,000 people. Of course, not everybody's going to see it, but out of those 4,000, let's say between 3 and 5 people engaged, they signed up, created a free account, and they actually decided to upgrade to one of the packages. Then you are going to get the commission for that package of what that person is upgraded to, whether it was one of the platinum or one of the VIP packages. And it really is as easy as that. So if you think you can do that, just using 5 or 10 minutes a day of your time, click the link below, sign up for your free account. Again, no investment is needed for this. Create yourself a logo. If you need hand with a logo, let me know. Create yourself a nice little post. Go and find some high engaging Facebook groups on make money online niche. And then that's it. Start posting 1 or 2 times a day. If you need be as well, you can use other social media platforms, as I mentioned before, things like Instagram, Twitter, possibly YouTube, etc. So that's it. So if you have any problems, any questions, or need any further help, then please get in touch.